So, first question: what do you think New Orleans will be like in 100 years?
It, it will be have flying cars.
Flying cars?
And they're gonna have people that can have superpowers.
Ooh,
Superpower.
I like that. Good. So, what's one word to describe New Orleans?
Happy,
Okay, why happy?
because everybody happy.
Okay, I like that. That's a good answer. So, New Orleans is celebrating 300 years right now. So, you think maybe in 200, 300, 400 more years, what's something that you might want to tell your great-great-grandkids about this place?
Have a good time.
Have a good time? That's a good answer. Anything that I didn't ask that you might want to say? Anything you want to tell anybody? Want to get some shout-outs or anything? What you got?
My birthday coming up.
Oh, what day? Tell them so we can see.
September 29th.
Okay, how old you making?
9.
All right, that's what I like to hear. That's it. You got anything to say, Mama?
Oh, yes. I would like to describe New Orleans as fun. There's always something to do, a lot of festivals and good food. And I like to get out and mingle, enjoy myself.
All right.
Family fun.